Student property attracts £6 billion worth of investment in 2015. During the course of 2015, there were many student property developments launched, with a total of just over £6 billion invested in the fastest growing subsector of the UK property market. A little more than 4,500 dedicated student housing units were developed and constructed during the course of 2015, and that's according to figures released from Barbour ABI. We are noting that inward investment to the purpose-built student property sector is now at a 5-year high, with plenty more room for growth. With a 26% year-on-year uplift in comparison to 2014, the student market makes up a big portion of new property developments here in the UK. It is worth mentioning that in the first quarter of 2015, there were exactly 2,117 student accommodation units commissioned. Developers are launching such projects because there is significant demand from their UK and overseas investors. More students than ever are attending university, and demand for high-end luxury student accommodation is sky high. Investors have an appetite for this type of investment, and the demand is expected to increase throughout 2016 well into 2017. Ever since we had the removal of the cap that was placed on numbers able to attend universities, we have seen a jump in the number of student bedrooms being commissioned. We are seeing universities acting in a proactive manner to increase the number of bedrooms in order to meet with the increase in enrolments over the years to come. And with that, property developers are realizing that with investors keen to invest in the sector, the rollout of new developments are a priority in order to keep up with the market demands. Purpose-built student accommodation has always been a big attraction for international investors, aiming to make a solid return in the UK market. Just last week, we have seen the arrival of Singapore's Temasek with their noteworthy purchase of £417 million worth of units. With the government revising their estimates on the number of expected students by 2020, an additional 200,000 more people are expected to study and therefore require accommodation. This revision is due to the change in policy towards capping university student numbers. With more than £6 billion invested in student property investments, there is little doubt that 2016 is to be a bumper year for the hottest subsector in the UK property market. If you are interested in finding out more about student property investments, head over to the website of FJP Investment, www.fjpinvestment.co.uk.